What's up YouTube? Welcome back to MalsWorld. Today we're showing you the Trafficmaster Lakeshore Pecan laminate flooring installation. This was an under $400 project, including the flooring, the foam piece underlayment, the trim we decided to use, the kills, and the little wood sealant we needed. So here you can see the only materials we really used to install it was a scrap piece of wood and a rubber mallet. And to start off laying the floors, we did short board and all the way down long boards until we had to size it. So this is a really simple way to install. You just need to make sure that you are aligning it at a 45-degree angle before clicking it into place. It is really easy because if you're about to install it wrong, you can feel the board pressure. It might break. Luckily, we didn't break very many boards. We ended up using 11 full packs and a few boards out of a 12th pack of flooring to complete our living room. And here you can see this is a staggering mechanism flooring. So you want to lay down a few boards in the first row, then start your second row, and then continue on that way, because it won't install correctly if you just try to lay out the width of the room and then do the length of the room. You want to use a staggering mechanism as we're showing here, and it is really easy and simple to use. The hardest part was just measuring and cutting, which luckily my husband knows how to do that. He did a marvelous job on the flooring and did the majority of the flooring work. So I'm super thankful for him, and as you'll see later on in the video, he'll explain his measuring technique, and just in the next clip is the cutting with the jigsaw. Okay, this is just a little progression shot of the video showing you guys the staggeriness in the flooring and where he started already sizing the boards. Here I'm just aligning to the pattern that I'd like to see in the floors. It's not necessary to do that, but I decided I would like that done on our flooring. And this next little bit is just, again, progress in the video. So if you guys have any questions about how we went about installing the flooring, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below and we'll try to answer it to the best of our ability. And again, thank you so much for coming back to MalsWorld.
Then you mark to where you can see where the top would be. And then
when you flip it over that side, yeah, I see what you mean.
Like that, and then you have it to where, see, once it's lined up down there, it's lined up perfect right there.
Yeah, it looks great. I see what you mean.
And then I'm gonna chop this off and use that section
down there
for right there.
Okay, here's the moment you all have been waiting for. Here's the finished product of the flooring. We didn't put all the trimming up yet, but I hope you liked our do-it-yourself hardwood floor laminate installation. Please like and subscribe for future videos. Thanks.